What's the meaning of clear-cut? Clear-cut. Clear-cut.
Clear-cut. Clear-cut. Clear-cut is an adjective used to describe a situation or decision that is straightforward, unambiguous, and leaves no room for doubt or confusion. It implies that something is distinct, obvious, and easily recognizable. For example, a clear-cut case means that the evidence against someone is strong and undeniable. A clear-cut decision is one that isn't difficult to make and doesn't require much contemplation. Overall, when something is clear-cut, it is easily defined and can be quickly understood without any ambiguity or uncertainty.